So I just turned the camera on to update you guys. It's 677 kilometers till now, and it's probably the day 4 or 5. I seriously don't know to be exact. It's 4:11 p.m. and I wanted to talk about bike rides.
For all the pain.
I mean, we all know what bike rides are. Some are short, some are long rides, and some are called as tours. So for each type of ride there are different kinds of bikes, and it is seriously your choice. Which bike do you prefer for what kind of touring, or for what kind of purpose do you prefer it, and all those things. Well, I'm a guy who likes to do continuous, long rides, tours on my bike, and somewhat city riding. And well, I'm traveling through this road, and it suddenly struck me, that real bike rides are not just, riding on highways, riding on 150 or 200 kilometer per hour. I don't think so. Those are the actual bike rides. Actual bike rides are where you explore places, where you go places which you don't even know, which don't even exist on the map. It just shows you a location on the GPS, and that's it. Now look at this place. It is completely going through the jungle, and it's a hill to be exact, and we don't know for sure where we are going. We just know that there is a famous temple, and it's a historic temple. The place is known as Humarmala. I'll add the text in the video below if you want to know the spelling. Humarmala. And we're just exploring. I'm not using my phone's GPS. That guy, he's my friend, and the one who is sitting behind him, he lives over here, and like he's his cousin. So he told him that we'll go to this place, and he knows the roads because he practically lives over here. And we've been going through roads which are bumpy, which are not suitable for my bike. Like some of my parts are making noise, but I took the Allen key, I tightened the fairing again, and now I'm again set to go. I just have no words to describe this feeling, because the thing is that whenever I ride in the city, I'm like, this is the usual normal life which we all live. There's no fun in this. Riding on highways, we all know that reaching top speeds is what we aim for, but riding in places like this, oh my god, this is heaven. Because now look at this road. I seriously had no idea this road was going to take a turn like this. And okay, we've reached here. Okay, I'll get back to you guys after some time. Cameras aren't probably allowed over here, so see you later. Okay guys, so I was talking about bike rides, and this is the actual riding, this is the actual touring, going through places like this, roads like this small, and just exploring the unknown places. This is so great. Now we are heading towards Malvan. Some of you may know the place, but we decided to take this small route which goes through villages instead of going through the state highway. It just feels so great. No traffic over here. If any other vehicle comes up in front of it, it's probably a bike or bullock carts. I just love this thing. That's it for now. I'll get back to you when I'll come up with some beautiful scenes which I'm probably expecting through this route, because it goes through it goes through the coastal areas. So for now, goodbye.
I'm finally right here with you.